Hey everyone, I'm repurposing the bottom part of an old dress into an aesthetic chiffon shrug. This technique works with any lightweight, flowy material. I'm starting on paper so you can follow the layout step by step. Fold your fabric into 4 layers. Mark the shoulder and armhole both at 7 inches. Mark the neck width, 3 inch. Then, mark a 2-inch back neck and a 10-inch front neck drop. Set your chest measurement to 11 inches. Your total length to 21 inches. And extend the front portion by 4 inches for that classic shrug wrap. Now, carefully cut along the pattern. First, cut the front portion like this. Don't cut front neck first, after cutting like this. Separate front and back like this. After that cut, both neck, cut the middle of front portion. I just cut the cloth same way, and stitch the front and back shoulders together from wrong side.